Hello and welcome to the tutorial of how to use RequestIT. You should all have an icon on your desktop that says it right here. Just double click that and it will open it up in Internet Explorer. So yours will look slightly different because you don't have all the support links that I have. However, you do have right here a section that says My Request. So if you put a request in and you want to look at the status, you can click on it and check out the status there. But what you're going to focus on mostly is this right here, Support Fix My. And here's a drop down, so you can choose whatever item needs to be fixed. So I'm just going to select Fix My Computer. And then if you're doing it for yourself, you keep it here. If you're helping someone else out, you can choose someone else and then put their information in. I'm just going to keep it for me right now. So I have my request type as computer, and then my site is Lake Braddock. This is very important. If you're split between two schools, make sure you choose the correct school. And then put your room location so that the T-Specs who will come to fix this will know where it is. Under notes, type in the issue and try to be as specific as possible. So rather than just saying my computer doesn't work, say my computer does not power on. I've checked the battery. Try to include any sort of troubleshooting steps you've taken as well, just to give the T-Specs an idea of what you've done and what the issue might be. The more information they have, the better. So I'll say my screen flickers when powered on. Restart did not help. Okay, customer urgency. You can put in whichever one you like. I tend to default to medium. And then your barcode is located on your laptop. So you put your barcode in and then do all of the numbers. If you have a photo that you want to add an attachment for, you can do that as well. And that again helps them. So if you have a photo of, if you could do a screenshot of whatever's happening on your screen, or you could take a picture of whatever's broken, that helps T-Specs just diagnose, and then they can also bring the correct equipment up if they're coming to fix something. When you're done, you click submit, and then you'll get an email saying it's been received. It's just a form-generated email. And then at some point you should hear from the T-Specs when they come to fix your equipment. Now the other thing I want to point out about the services catalog is we have up here the A to Z index. This is very, very helpful because this provides a whole bunch of tutorials that are created by FCPS, and they're up to date and you don't have to worry about dead links, generally speaking. So if you know what you're looking for, you can just go here. So if you're looking for SIS information, click on the S, and it brings you down to all the S's. And here you're looking and you're like, oh, look at all the SIS information. And you're looking and saying, none of that really needs for me. Click on more information, and then there's teacher view. So this is a really good, the A to Z index is really helpful if you want an answer and it's late at night and you don't know, you're not going to get an answer from one of us. Check the A to Z index out because it could probably help you out a whole bunch. And that is the information for RequestIT.